Are you a builder or an architect down here in the Lowcountry? If so, we want to partner with you on all of your window and door needs. One of the big things about this showroom is it's not just for the customers we work with directly, it's for you. We want you to be able to send your customers in to get a full range of products and see exactly what it is that fits their taste and their needs. In fact, we'll be happy to work with them. If you give us a budget, you give us a spec sheet, we'll work on that window project to make sure that the schedule is something that works for you as well. In fact, if you want, we'll do the installation. So make sure that you check us out, especially as soon as we get the showroom open. In particular, I wanted to point out behind me, the guest conference room. This will be available to you, no charge. If you'd like to reserve it, absolutely go ahead. If you just come in and want to have a place to meet with a client, go over plans, anywhere in the showroom will be available to you, but especially this guest conference lounge. It'll be a 12-foot conference table, live edge wood table with nice leather chairs, a very comfortable place to sit and talk about your project. And we expect you to use it even if you're not buying windows or doors from us. This is here for you and the public, and anything that makes your job easier is something we want to do for you. So don't feel like it's got to be about the window project. You could come here and talk siding, roofing, the plumbing fixtures, whatever you need to do. This is a great meeting opportunity for you, and we hope that you'll use it frequently. All right, we'll see you soon.